top window so that way the money can roll out. Next, I grabbed my crumb-coated cake out of the freezer, and I didn't crumb coat that top of the cake just so it could be easier for me to cut that square out. And I did measure beforehand. I put my box on top of the cake and then just marked where I needed to cut so that way I won't make it too small or too big. And it's a perfect fit. Now that my box is in there, I can finish crumb coating that top and then I can frost the cake. And before I begin to fully frost, I do like to tape a piece of small ribbon onto where the money starts, just because it makes it easier to hide a small piece of ribbon as opposed to the full top of that money roll. And just as a side note, whenever someone orders a money cake, I do like to tell them that the serving amount will be much less just because I do take out a big chunk of that center of the cake. In this case, I did a 3-layer cake, so they still have that bottom layer to dig into. Once the cake is fully frosted in this pink buttercream, I add this unicorn image that I created out of fondant. I love how the unicorn came out. I freehanded this and I added the rainbow strands of hair as well. And then I add the gold horn. And then I place my fondant rainbow on top of the cake as well as my 3D clouds in front. And that middle cloud is actually the one covering the ribbon she's gonna pull. And last, I add a whole bunch of gold stars to the top as well as all along the front of the cake. I add the birthday girl's name to the bottom and that's it, it's all done. I put it in my light box for some pictures and then I box it up. Now I did request a reaction video and she told me she would send me one and that it was okay to post. So I'm really hoping she does send that to me so I get to show you guys, and I hope you guys like this one.